How to add poll on Messenger group chat. So today I'll be showing you the easy method to add polls on your Messenger group chat. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Firstly, open any Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for Messenger using the search icon at the top of the screen. Then if you see an update button next to Messenger app, that means your app needs to be up to date. For that, select the update button and update your app. Once you have updated your app, go ahead and open the Messenger app on your device. Then make sure to log in or sign in on your account. On this chat section, you have to simply choose the group chat that you want to add the poll on. And here, once you open it, at the bottom left corner of the screen, there is the four dot icon. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will see polls option there. Open it. And here at the top, you need to add the question and below the option. So here, anything you can write the question about. So once you have added questions and the options, you can select the create poll button at the bottom of the screen. You have to wait for a while until it is created. So it has automatically sent to the group chat. Now the members of the group will easily vote on this poll, and after that you can easily see their reactions or their votes for which of the option it is, and then you can analyze the answer that you want to know. So that's how we easily add polls on Messenger group chat. I hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button if it was. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.